Welcome, and in this video what I will doing going a first look at Antix. Antix is a it's a they've based distribution, and let me go to the downloads page. I've actually downloaded the ISO, so just looking at I've just downloaded it, and yeah, I just did from SourceForge. And yeah, it just downloaded very fine, like 1.3 gigs of ISO. So actually what I will be doing, I will open my Word manager, and yeah, I will be creating a new virtual machine, local install, and I will be browse local, and actually it's Antix here, so I will choose it. It can't detect operating system, so yeah, I will choose generic OS. I will give the 4 gigs of RAM, and I think so 30 gigs of 30 gigs of storage will be fine. Finish. I will name it Antix and finish. And let it finish. It will not take that time, and it's creating a domain, and yeah, okay. Actually the installer, the grub menu looks cool. So yeah, what I'll be doing, boot options, Antix. Yeah, I will boot from here. It's loading the kernel. Yeah, the effects look cool, so I will do just a full screen, and yeah, it's booting Antix, and yeah, it has booted Antix very smoothly. Yeah, very fast. It actually booted Antix very fast. There's a conky up here, and which desktop environment is it? Actually, I have no idea. Rocks terminal is a terminal emulator. I've never heard of that. And yeah, just works. Actually, yeah, the menu looks cool. Actually, the menu is very big, like open box and desktop. Desktop. Yeah, there's a lot of desktop here. So this Fluxbox, I think that's the I'm using right now. Like I would apply ICEWM. Okay, it automatically boots it up. Very great. It actually works just fine. Okay, I will actually start the installer right now, and yeah. Independent Linux distribution based on Debian stable. It comes with components like Antix Linux, which are released under Apache free license. Some Epis components have been modified for Antix Linux. Enjoy using it. I will do next. What partition I will do? Yeah, I will install entire disk because I'm in a virtual machine. Actually, I have to to format. Yeah, yes, and it started. It's installation. Can I do next? Yeah. Okay, actually I can choose my language up here. Install for, yeah, I will do that. Next, computer name. I will just do it Antix. Computer domain. I'm not changing it. Local, United States, American English. Time zone, I will choose from Asia and Kolkata. Where's Kolkata? Yeah, here's it. So I will choose that time, or next I will choose my username and my super secret password. Actually, I can't type it. Yeah, I can't type it right now. Root password. Can I choose the same password? I will use the same password actually. Show password, I'm not doing it right now. Save live desktop changes, I will do next. Yeah, that's it. So the install is going very fast, and let me quickly open up the terminal. Actually, I don't know which type of Actually, I've never used this type of terminal emulator before, but yeah, it's look cool. And yeah, the menu is also good. I think so. It's a type of open box type of. Is it like a open box? I will do a new fetch if it is installed. No, it is not installed, so I will do a sudo apt get install new fetch, and I'll enter my password. Actually, I don't know the password for demo. I will just enter it. Is it Antix? Actually, I don't know, so I will try it later. And the installer is going very fast. Actually, I do not know why it's going very fast. The install is complete and it was very fast, so I will just do it a finish. And yeah, it's booting it. The installer was very simple and straightforward, so actually it's rebooting it. And it's telling me to remove the disk and close the tray and press enter. Yeah, I will just do an enter because. And yeah, here's the grub menu. Actually, it's up now, automatically loaded it. So it's telling me to enter my username and password. Which login manager is that? I don't know. Actually, there's no mouse here, so actually I press the enter and it. Okay, that's it. It put it up very fast. Actually, it's very fast actually. So actually, first of all, I will open my terminal emulator and x random minus s 1366 by 768 double string resolution. Actually I had 2x here. Actually, I think it is available. Actually, I don't know. Usually it's here, but it's not here right now. I don't know why. So I will do a close up like 1280 by 720. That would be fine. 1280 by 720. Actually, I didn't add a S here. Yeah, now it's fine. And actually, the conky didn't had it. I think so. It's ICEWM because it's showing up here. So let me do an quick htop. What's running here? Rockstorm conk is also here, so I can actually kill it because. But first of all, yeah, it's not showing that things. F9 system, yeah, actually kill it. Actually, it didn't come terminal emulator. I don't know why. Actually, I will open terminal and kill all conky. Yeah, let's kill the conky. And first, let's do a quick update and upgrade. And yeah, it's just updating it. It's very fast actually. And let me in desktop environment. Actually, they are floating window manager and desktop, other desktop, rocks Fluxbox, space Fluxbox. Actually, I haven't heard the name before. There's no open box here. Actually, I have no problem with that, but it's good actually. It's very fast. Yeah, it will take time to upgrade and update the system. Yeah, it will take some time. So till when it's updating its system, I will just do and look at the files and the application which are installed by default. Terminal emulator, which is Rockstum. Haven't heard it before. First time. 5 minutes, I think so. It will be Thunar or Thumbs. Actually, I haven't heard the name before. And small. Actually, I haven't. Okay. And I never knew it ever existed. Web browser. Which web browser installed by default? Maybe Firefox or any other. I don't know if there are any app installed by default. Editor. Which editor is it? Key, that's a code text editor. And app select. What's that? I don't know. Applications. So actually open Firefox when I click on the web browser, and yeah, Firefox is installed. That was a pretty normal reason. App select is also opened, and yeah, I think so. It has which app I can open right now, maybe. And it open Firefox. I do not need it right now. Application, I will go to application, Antix, Android device USB connect. I don't know if there's anything actually related. And use updater. Actually, it will update the system. And user manager. Is it a setting manager or something? I can't move it right now, I don't know why. And applications, Wi-Fi switch, backlight brightness, CLI, app based package manager, CLI. Actually it was CLI. Okay, that's a good thing. I will do it later, but the next application we have like CLI app. I can will give it a look afterwards. Date and time, format user USB, it will be USB formatter. ICEWM toolbar icon manager. Okay, please select any option or button, go for tile option, add icon. And actually, okay, that's like icon type of thing. To add icon, I'll exit it out of it. And yeah, actually I will rightly menu. I prefer not up this bar type of leaf pad. Actually I'm very okay. There's were the ISO snapshot. I think so. It will be for snapshot taking. And I don't know this application. Archive manager. That is an archive manager. It isn't usually used for extracting stuffs. And what icon manager they are using? I think they are using the GNOME, I think so. And properties, I don't know where to go for help. Even the toolbar is different, like you can see here and there, both are different. And accessories, calculators, I think so. It is the calculator something. Okay, no, it's the calendar. I have never used it before, and it's a calendar. I'm not interested in it right now. Cherry tree, I've also never heard of it. Actually, they have very strange application installed by default. Clip it, I don't know what is it. I think so. It's a clipboard manager. Well, yeah, there's a clipboard manager. And file jail configuration wizard. What is it? I don't know. And actually cherry tree is opened. Is it a Word document type of? I can't actually type it. I don't know what is it. Maybe a office manager type of thing. G calculator, relief pad, midnight command editor, other desktop. Relief pad is the basically it is actually the text editor of XFC, I believe, or Cinnamon. I don't know. I think so. It's XFC. G calculator is the calculator, and yeah, it's a simple calculator, like very simple thing. You can obviously do it, and actually leave pad. So I'll do a help and about GTK based simple text editor. Okay, that's it. Actually, and I will look space FM file search. Okay, what is that? Actually, it is from space FM. I don't know what is space FM, but yeah, it's a find file type of. Okay, I can search for files and folders if here there are don't but files and folders are here right now. But RxVT color Unicode, I mean it may be URxVT or XTUM, I don't know what is it. And yeah, it's URxVT. And that's it. Search monkey updater, except one is the burning image. DOSBox emulator. Okay, actually they have emulator and DOSBox. Okay, it's a very old type of thing. Oh, actually I don't know why I was running ls here. So if I type help here, it will like if I type dir, okay, I think so dir is the standard for listing directories. cd into command, actually what is that? Okay, I don't know what is that currently. And Gold, what is that? Okay, actually it's a game. Actually it's an endless game. Okay, I'm not playing that game right now. Actually I don't interested in games right now, but I will give it a look right now. And but it's not updating. And yeah, it's working very great. Mahjong, I think so it's also a car type of game. I'm not interested in games right now. Yeah, it's a car type of game. And maybe they have almost 2000 applications installed by default. GTCam, digital camera browser. Okay, what is that? Okay, that's for the camera purposes maybe. And internet studio is graphics. LibreOffice Draw is a office drawing program from LibreOffice. Mirage, is that I've heard of Mirage program, not Mirage, actually Mirage. GTK image viewer. Okay, it's an image viewer basically. And empty paint graphics editor, screenshot. Yeah, it's a simple basic things. Seni, I've never heard of it. Execute. Okay, I will enter my password. And what's it's doing right now? Okay, it's opening. Yeah, I'm not interested in it. But one thing I was actually interested in it, like on the themes. Actually, in the desktop I can choose many desktop actually. So if I do go to JWM, and this is JWM, actually I can go and choose many desktop they have actually. JWM. Okay, it's looking pretty neat. And that actually, okay, it's also showing the screen resolution. Is it a Rockstone power or yeah, I think so, it's the Rockstone power maybe. And it's also showing the position. I never know about the thumbs type of actually I never have heard of it. I don't know why it's resizing. Practically I only know the minimal like PC Man FM or Thuna. They are the minimal file manager. If you like going to install Nautilus or Dolphin, they're very heavy. Actually they have a lot of dependencies and they're just standard, not they almost do the same thing that the other tools, so there's no way that you install many things also. So I was in Fluxbox, like I can go to space Fluxbox, and what is that? Okay, I can't now. Okay, now I have booted in. Okay, this is also looking very neat, and yeah, actually it's pretty neat and cool. And yeah, we'll go to desktop. Other desktop is Fluxbox. Fluxbox is like the same, but yeah, almost like the same of yeah, only there were icons in that, nothing else. And I will not go in app basically. Actually I will go to minimal Fluxbox. Okay, that's the minimal version. And minimal version also look like that, just not have the comp and that's it. I've never had actually tried these floating window managers, but I will give it a try. I've only tried OpenBox as a floating window manager, and I will give these also a try. ICEWM, minimal ICEWM. Okay, maybe what I have been earlier. And space ICEWM and lot of their so that's it. Actually these were very neat applications. So actually I'm waiting for this update to finish, then I will read the system specs, like whether new fetch, and when it have occurs, then I will come back. And yeah, I have upgraded the system and installed NeoFetch. And yeah, if I open my terminal and type NeoFetch, I will get the system info. Okay, that's crazy that yeah, it's showing me Debian instead of Antix. Maybe NeoFetch doesn't know that thing, but yeah, it's not here itself. And host is my machine kernel. It's very old kernel, I think so, and I'm not even having idea. Like 1630 packages installed by default. Not yeah, they are large for me, but that's not very big. Window manager, I'm currently using ICEWM. Now I can change from desktop, other desktop, and I can go to JWM. And let me, okay, actually it restarted the system. I don't know why, but I actually restarted the system. So let me open my terminal emulator and now do a new fetch. It's still showing ICEWM. Didn't change my desktop. Minimal Fluxbox JWM, and actually it restarts the thing, and I don't know why it has bugs. Yeah, it again opened that same, but yeah, I'm appreciating the speed that has, and it has some uniqueness and actually has. So let me check the Python version of which actually it's Python 2 by default. Python 3.7.3. yeah, it's a bit old, and on my machine it's Python 3.9.3 as it is Arch, so usually gets updated very frequently. So it's 3.9.3. so yeah, let me just quit it out of here and let's do a full screen. The reason is because there is Debian based distribution. Even Debian based distribution, the latest Ubuntu has 3.9.1, I believe. Still, actually, I didn't check the latest ISO. Actually, last when it's modified, the ISO I downloaded 19.3 full ISO. Literally, it was modified in literally October last year. So it's almost 6 months. They haven't modified it yet. So the reason it's old. But yeah, I really love this distribution. I don't know why after the update it is having problem with other things. Like I am just Fluxbox. Now it's even not booting. Yeah, even update has some problems in it, and I don't know what is happening. And yeah, it's now booted just fine. Yeah, now it's working. And actually, I love that how they provided. Okay, they have alpha workspace and beta workspace. I don't know which type of workspace they are, but still it has a great right click menu, and they have modified it very great, not very fancy and that. And yeah, if I want to use as this my main distribution, I can have a choice. It can be in my top 5 or 10 distributions of choice, because yeah, just works fine. And which shell are they using? The bash or ZSH? Maybe 100% it will be bash. That's bash. Obviously ZSH is installed here, but it's not configured, so I'm not wasting my time in configuration. It's fish installed here. Just joking, it will be not installed. That is not installed. And that's it for the video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, that's it.